Hello, my name is Terrence Farrell. I'm a website developer who specializes in creating the deliverables for information architecture. I've experienced researching a site's audience, building wireframes and sitemaps, and conducting usability tests. I have a bachelor's degree from Florida State University in information technology. In this video, I'm going to show how to build a sitemap using Microsoft Visio 2007. Designers and information architects use sitemaps to represent the structure of the information on a website. The sitemap provides a view on how the site will be constructed. It is an excellent tool to use during the course of a web design project. Let's get started.
The intended audience for this video is any user developing a website who wants to see a visual outline of the site's content and structure. During the video, I will be using Microsoft Office Visio for 2007 on a PC running Vista operating system. And for all you Mac users, Visio has not been made available for Mac yet. The objectives of this video are to add website shapes to Visio drawing page, edit and connect the shapes, align and organize the shapes, and save the sitemap. The first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Visio. And the template to use is the Conceptual Websites US Units. Since I used this template recently, it is already available on my start page. But if it wasn't, I would look on the template categories on the left side of the screen. There under Network is a website template located. Double click and open. This will open up a blank drawing screen. On the left hand side of the screen, you will find your shapes that you'll use to build your sitemap. There are 3 shapes to use for a home page. There's the home page, and the main object. There is a web page shape. There is a page group or a group shape that will represent a group of similar web pages. There is a form shape and a pop-up shape if you have either of these programmed in your website. And then there are several line connectors that are used to connect the shapes together and show the website's hierarchy. Just going to zoom in here a bit. I'm going to use the main object for my home page. On a few web pages, you just click and drag them onto the drawing page. And you can use the connectors that are on the Shapes menu, or you can go up here to the menu on the top and click on the connector tool. And just connect the pages to the home page. And you just want to get these pages aligned and organized correctly. I like to use the grids that are there on the page. Now that the shapes are organized, we can start editing them and naming them. Just double click on a shape, type in a name, you can right click on a shape, click Format, change the font, size, bold it, color.
You can format the borders, make them thicker, round off the edges a bit. You can change the pattern, but I'd leave it at solid. Change the colors. And if you want to change the color of all the shapes at one level, and you can format the connections between the shapes, underline. And so what you end up with is a very basic sitemap. Now to recap what we did in order to create our sitemap, we dragged and dropped shapes onto our drawing page. We added line connectors to connect our shapes together. We organized and aligned our shapes. Then we gave our web pages names, formatted the font, color, and borders. And then we got our final product. Thank you for watching. You can format the borders, make them thicker, round off the edges a bit. You can change the pattern, but I'd leave it at solid. Change the colors. And if you want to change the color of all the shapes at one level,